Good morning, my beautiful crafting friends. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you for joining me today on this video. So here it is, the completed journal. I've got one more video to come out. Is it Saturday? It's either Wednesday or Saturday, of some more bits and bobs to do in here. I think it's Saturday or Wednesday. I can't remember. It's still early in the morning, you know, and I've only had one cup of coffee to get the old brain cells ticking over. So here it is. If you haven't seen my previous videos, I will link them all below on how this was built and some of the goodies inside. So as you can see, there's the front cover with like little bits and bobs, and then this part I've had to add extra because I didn't realise how big the journal was going to actually turn out. Do you know what I mean? I have a tendency of doing the journals bigger after the fact. So here's the back. We've got some brass buttons and some washers, and this is all inspired by our fabulous the old Rag and Bone fabric collector, and he used to go around with his horse and cart. I can remember it in the 70s, and I know it's been going a long time, and most probably named differently all around the world. But I thought, wonder what he would do is if he was a junk journaler and he had scraps of fabric and he had to put them all together. So voila, this is what I come up with. So I've added some stitches because I do like doing my slow stitching and needlework and a bit of sewing like that. And so you've got a little bit of little French knots, some crosses, so little bits throughout it. So we'll head on in, and this just flips over the button like so. So I've kept that like that because I actually really like the effect of the sewing on that bit. So here we've got a zip that, you know, you never know, could come in handy. And then we'll head on in. Yeah, Claire does waffle on. So here we go. Here is our Rag and Bone man. I've left the inside because I will do a little note, as I always do, and that just tucks in there. And the cover is actually on felt, so everything's sewn on, and then you've got a double layer, so it gives that bit more of a rigidity, if that's such a word in Claire's world. Right, so in the first section we have a extendable pocket, which is in a video that I made, and then this is a little file folder that I picked up off of a digital on Etsy, and I will link that below as well. And it's just, I've still got to decorate it out to how I want it, but it comes with all pockets and a little writing bit and some other little bits of ephemera there, but it's all done in the design of denim jeans, which I thought was absolutely perfect. And I've just got a little bit of fabric just to tie it. So, and obviously when you're out busy working, we tend to hum a tune, so I thought I'd add some music pages. And then, so as you can see, it's one single signature. So here is a little notebook to add some extra writing area. And then we have a pocket here. And there's another one of our old Rag and Bone mans. And then we have a pocket which I did a video on using recycled embossed paper. So everything in this journal with the pockets and that is, and fabrics, is stuff that I've got scraps of, so I wanted to repurpose it. So we've made a pocket there, And then I've got a video on how to make the tissue paper pocket. Let me get something so I can actually stick it in the pockets, and then you'll see what I mean. Let me get one of my digitals. So we've got a pocket here using the pattern paper, and then we have a little pocket here like so, and then we have a little dingle dangle that I done a video on. So this little boy, he's helping out the old Rag and Bone Man to collect all the fabrics. And then we have a little tuck there. So I've done a bit of spritzing with some Tin Holtz sprays, because I thought, well, if you're out daily collecting rags, your journal's not going to stay clean, is it? That's in my head anyway. So we have a little flip out there, and then some more of this beautiful pattern paper. And then we have one of these envelopes that I created, which has the 4 pockets. So you've got the one in the back, one there, then you've got another one just there, and another one on that side there as well. And then another image. So we have a pocket here like so, and a little tuck spot there where I've just put priceless. And then I found a bit of handmade coffee paper that I dyed myself, and it had this watermark on, so I thought, let's turn it into a flower. So I've put create your moments going down the stem, and then find your story. So I've used a bit more of the Tim Holtz, the fossilized amber and crackling campfire to do the hues. So we've got a digital of a ledger page, and then this is from a book. And she's smiling because she's thinking, oh, I just got rid of all my rags. And then we have one of our first altered pages using different layers of papers that I will link below. And then in here I've kept this, so you've got a envelope there, and then another little bit of journaling page with one of these. And then we have a pocket up here, and this is the same using the embossed paper. And then on this side, let's move you dangles. So as you can see, my little dangles are poppers and buttons. And then we have a tuck spot here. Another image of a Rag and Bone Man, and another one of these pockets, which has got the 4 pocket holes. And this is from Louise Hansel's digital kit, which I thought was lovely because it added that warm tone. Another altered page. And then we've got a belly band here. And here on the fabric, so if you haven't got a sewing machine, just use a fabric, you know, you can get the fabric pens to do the names on the labels for your children's clothes. That's just gone around there doing that. Some more bit of more inking. I love how that's turned out there. I'm going to be having a practice on doing that. And then I've done one of these here, which is just a fabric cluster, which I've put up there. And this is a belly band. And then we have another one of these expanding envelopes, pockets. Claire just went blank for a moment. And then I've done a little bit of gesso there to give a different little bit of texture there. And then we have a pocket there and a pocket here. And a bit more gesso there. So as you can see, I'm practicing in this journal. So this I'll be keeping and filling up with different ideas to bring to you guys. So this page is from a travelling book, and it's called The Glamour of the Town. We have a little tuck spot there. And some writing area here. We have another pocket there with some more dingle dangles. And then some there. And then another one of these pockets here. Got to try and find the entrance. There it is. So we've got that there. Oh, what's going on? Stuck there, is it? Don't be stuck. There. So we've got another pocket there. And then we have a tuck spot here. So there's one of these, a collector, I think. Blessings. And then we have a little tuck spot here with a little old lady who she sells her goodies. Oh, okay, watch your fingers. And then I've created that as another pocket, so that's the other end of the page. And then we've got another little journaling book that I've added there, and another pocket here, and then another one of these envelopes with another vintage photo of a rag and bone man. Oh. Did I do that as a pocket? No, I didn't. And here's the other part of that page. And I've put each seed is a new start. So that's that side. And then we flip it out. And I've done some more here. And growth is beautiful. So we have a pocket here. Oh, this is a little tuck spot, and then the tuck spot that side, some more of this paper, and then we've got a little flip out and another one of these pockets. It's pretty using up scraps. Another dingle dangle. And then we have a tuck spot here. So you can see it's just there. Another one of these little pockets. And then we have another pocket there, which is using the embossed paper. So you can see just there. And then on the back, I've just added loads of scraps of fabrics, and I've stapled it to a number tag like so, and that's the back. And there's a pocket which I haven't decided what I'm going to put in yet because I've still got to fill it myself. So there you go, guys. I hope this has given you some ideas on what you can get creative with, using up your scraps from 2024 to go into 2025's junk journal. So if you've got this far, please remember to give it a lovely little heart, as it means 1,000 words. And I do really appreciate it. And also a thumbs up. And I will see you on the next video, where we will be starting this. And I have decided I am going to turn it into a lap folder / junk journal, if that helps. So we'll be choosing what pages will go with which section and having fun with that. So I hope you join me for that video. I think I need another cup of coffee. And I will see you on the next video. Happy crafting, everybody, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Take care. Bye.